welcome to Drive with Care. I have another request. It's amazing when I get requests. Mark Burgess, new request, Lympne Zoo Park to Hythe Town Centre via Newingreen. I've actually got quite a few kind of backlogged these requests. So this should be a fun drive because it's nice and sunny and there's people about, so we'll see hazards, but we'll also get to drive. So I'm leaving Port Lympne Zoo. There's no point driving all the way through, we'll just nip out this way. Drop down via Newingreen. I think I'll go down via Port Lympne and then come out on the A20 junction and then drop down into Hythe. Easy enough drive. I've had a few requests saying, hey, great channel and wish you had more subscribers and you should do well. Single file traffic ahead. I've discovered the key element is likes. It's not about subscribers, subscriber counts, comments, it's likes. Got a cyclist up ahead. Nothing behind me. Let's get past him and I'll continue with my theory. Car waiting at junction. Oh, it is a bit busy. Yeah, one of my videos on my other channel, which I posted a year ago, has suddenly taken off and it's had like 1,495 likes, but the view count has hit 54,000. I'm shocked, and I can only put it down to people hitting the like button. So a big request, if you enjoy this video or any of my videos, just give it a thumbs up because it pushes it out to the wider audience. You know, you get those little videos in your feed. That's where my videos will appear if we hit the like. You could hit the dislike as well because it's the likes that count. It's not about subscribers, although that kind of happens after the event. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Start reciting all these things because they're all stuck up here now. Right, we're entering Port, it's Lympne, into Lympne at 30 miles an hour. Now remember, this road has got the severe bumps apart from the road here. They've got some traffic calming measures down here, which means at one section I'll have right of way, at another section I'll have to give way. Especially when you've got cars parked anyway, right? Bit of an indicate, let everyone know that I'm not pulling over. I am actually doing something here. So we've got priority over oncoming traffic for this first traffic calming section. I can't see anything ahead anyway. No footway for 300 yards. Although I see footway on that side. Not quite sure what they're talking about. Give way to oncoming vehicles, but there's no oncoming vehicles. And then I get priority again. It's a funny old game. Risk of cattle as well. Lovely drive for a cabriolet. Bends in the road, entering a 40 zone. So we've got a junction up ahead. I've got to give way to get onto the A20, but immediately turn right to cross the A20 to drop down into Hythe, but I've got to give way again. It's a really strange staggered traffic island thing going on. traffic. Squeeze through on this one. Nothing coming from my left. That was easy enough, wasn't it? A few blind bends here and a bit of traffic. Classic car. Pedlinge. Didn't even know this place existed. I've been here since '82. Pedlinge. It's a rather pleasant road, but very busy. Type bend and into Hythe. I've not done this road for quite a while. There used to be a speed camera down here, so I'm bearing that in mind. Probably still is one. We shall see. mph speed camera sign. Where are you, speed camera? I'm looking for the yellow. Currently doing 30, so no need to worry. I think it's funny when the cars start doing 20 when they see the camera. You kind of think, no, you can do 30. So we're doing 25 now. It was there. Lane. No need to indicate because it filters that way into a one-way system. I think this must be one of the only places in the UK, and correct me if I'm wrong, drop me a comment, where you get free parking. You can just pull up on the right if there's a space, or pull out from a junction if there's a space. Yeah, we're not given for a lot of free parking in this country. Well, England anyway. I believe Scotland does a lot of free parking. Car coming out of garage. Zebra crossing ahead, watch out for pedestrians. I can see a couple are approaching. There's a couple of lads on the right. Do some jaywalking. Because we all do jaywalking, don't we? to do walking. It's to jaywalk. I think we'll go straight down to the end, turn left at the roundabout. That'll be the answer. Royal Military Canal on the right. Boat hire is open. Fancy a day of boating? Come down to Hythe, get yourself a little boat. Paddling on the canal. Traffic is slowing. I want to go left at this roundabout, but the left-hand lane is a bus lane, so we don't go into that. So I'll have to go left after the island. Nice to see people are indicating. A bit of the high street. It will be closed off ahead. Or is it? It's not. Come on, let's do it. I've always wanted to drive down the high street because it makes for a nice little bit of looking at the history of the place. Oh, it's control zone Monday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. But I'm filming on a Sunday, so let's drive down the high street. We'll end the video at the end. Oh, it makes for a nice conclusion to the video. What's the Mazda thinking of doing? Someone asked me about doing a Tudor Travels video for Hythe. If that's of interest, let me know and I'll get something going. Oh, it wants to go in that tiny space. A model shop. I quite like models. Takes me back to my youth. I didn't know they had a model shop here. Interesting. I can go. There's enough room now. Look at these old buildings. Pedestrian in the road with child. There's quite a few pedestrians actually. Doing some random type walking. That's the thing to look out for on little roads like this, is the random pedestrianisation. And of course I get to the end of the high street, there's nowhere for me to pull over to end the video. So we'll just have to let it run and run and run and run. Where can I stop? Tell you what, we'll go left at the giveaway and we'll pull. Oh, can I pull over in here? I can. It's another back road. We're doing back roads around Hythe. There's me saying I would do a Tudor Travels. How about a Tudor Drives around Hythe? I'm going to pull over onto this forecourt to end the video. I'm not staying, am I? It's the back of Iceland. It's a good place to stop the video, otherwise it goes on and on and on. And we can watch the continuation of this video because I need to go to Folkestone. So why not do a drive from Hythe to Folkestone, right? Okay, thanks for watching and bearing with. Don't forget to hit the like button. It really will help the content. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.